Welcome back, friends. How you guys doing? In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this solid conditioner bar. I use things that my hair love. I have a video where I show you how to use a solid conditioner bar. I will link the video below in the description box, and all the product that I use will be listed below too. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Please continue to watch to see how I made this conditioner bar. Here I have the BTMS 50. I have the cocoa butter, and they come in this form. I have the cetyl alcohol right here, shea butter, DL panthenol. I have the bee wax here. This is gonna help me to make it even more solid. I have the avocado oil here. I have the oil that I made, the infused oil right here. All these are gonna go on the it phase. I'm gonna be using vitamin E during the cool down phase. Cinnamon leaves essential oil, lavender essential oil, sweet orange essential oil. Let's continue mixing this. In the container that I'm going to be using to be mixing all this together, adding BTMS 50, the cocoa butter, the bee wax, the cetyl alcohol, avocado oil, this is the DL panthenol, I move on to my it phase. I have to wait till the oil cool down enough to add the rest of the items to it. You can just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Do it before the oil starts solidifying. I got this mold from Amazon. If you are interested, I will link them below in the description box too. I have to wait till the oil cool down between 125 and 130 before I can add the rest of the essential oil to it. I'm feeling adventurous, right? So I have this maroon shine maker. It's a deep maroon. I got it from the lotion crafter. I am going to be adding a little bit of it to this recipe. This is all I'm going to add to it, and going to mix it real quick. Just to have a little bit of tint to it. I don't know if the color is a good idea because it ends up settled down in the bottom of the conditioner bar. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question for me, please let me know. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.